What if I told you that you do not need thousands of dollars, a finance degree, or a Wall Street connection to start building real wealth? What if $50 was genuinely enough to get started today? Most people scroll past investing content telling themselves they will start when they have more money. But here is the brutal truth. That moment never comes, and every day you wait is a day compounding is working for someone else instead of you. Now, before I show you exactly how to build a diversified portfolio with just $50, I need to warn you about the mistake that destroys most beginner portfolios before they even have a chance. And that mistake is taking your hard-earned money, seeing a stock trending on social media, feeling the excitement, and putting every single dollar into that one company, because the moment that company has one bad quarter, one disappointing earnings report, or one unexpected piece of bad news, your entire portfolio collapses and suddenly investing feels like gambling. But that is not an investing problem, that is a concentration risk problem, and the fix is diversification done the right way. Instead of betting everything on one company, you spread your $50 across technology for growth, healthcare for stability, consumer goods for recession-proof demand, financial services for economic exposure, and energy as a hedge against inflation. And thanks to fractional shares, you can own a piece of Apple, Amazon, and Johnson & Johnson with just a few dollars, no full share required. But here is the secret that most investing videos never tell you. Real diversification is not just about owning more stocks, it is about owning assets that move differently from each other. So when technology drops, healthcare holds you up, and when inflation spikes, your energy position protects your portfolio. And that built-in balancing mechanism is what separates investors who panic during market crashes from investors who stay calm and keep building. The best part is you do not need to wait for a bigger paycheck, a market crash, or the perfect moment. You start today with what you have, you add small amounts consistently, you let compounding quietly do its work in the background, and over time those small disciplined moves build into something that creates real financial momentum and real freedom. Every serious investor you admire started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is they made the decision to begin. So if you are ready to stop watching from the sidelines, drop a comment below telling me you are starting your $50 portfolio today. And subscribe because next week I am breaking down exactly which fractional shares I would buy first and why.